Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced Tool Use and Custom APIs for Agents. Expanding AI's capabilities. Imagine an assistant who isn't just smart, but can also do things. That's what an AI agent is all about. Traditionally, AI like ChatGPT is great at talking and understanding. But it's like a genius with no hands. In this lesson, we're going to give our AI agents hands, special tools that let them interact with the world beyond just text. This unlocks incredible new possibilities. And you, the developer, are the key to making it happen. Our amazing large language models, LLMs, are like incredibly knowledgeable brains. They can write essays, explain complex topics, and even generate code. But ask them to book me a flight to Paris's or check my calendar for tomorrow, and they hit a wall. Why? Because they live in a world of text. They can't directly connect to your booking app or your calendar. They need tools to bridge this gap, allowing them to perform actions in the digital and even physical world. For an AI agent, a tool is essentially a special function or a small, self-contained program that it can call upon. Think of it like an app on your smartphone. Your phone itself doesn't know how to order food, but the Uber Eats app does. Similarly, an AI doesn't know how to send an email, but a send_email tool, which you, the developer, create, can do it. These tools often connect to APIs, application programming interfaces, which are like digital connectors between different software. So, how does an AI agent use a tool? It's a simple, logical process. 1. Understand. You ask the AI something, like, what's the weather in New York? Single quote. 2. Think. The AI thinks, processes your request. It realizes it doesn't know the current weather, but it does know it has a tool called get_current_weather that can find out. 3. Execute. It calls that tool, providing the necessary information, e.g., city equals New York. The tool runs, gets the real-time weather data. 4. Interpret. The tool gives the result back to the AI, e.g., it's 25 degrees Celsius and sunny in New York. 5. Respond. The AI then puts this information into a natural language sentence and tells you the answer. AI platforms sometimes come with built-in tools, like a basic calculator or a web search function. These are handy, but limited. This is where you, the developer, become a superhero. You can create custom APIs, your own tools, that allow the AI to interact with your specific systems, databases, or unique functionalities. Imagine building a tool for your AI that connects to your company's sales database or controls your smart home devices. The possibilities are endless because you define the rules. Let's say you want your AI to manage your personal to-do list. You, the developer, would write a function, your tool, in code. Maybe something like @_task, task_description, due_date, Then, you tell the AI about this tool, giving it a clear description. I have a tool called @_task. It helps add new items to your to-do list. It needs the task_description, what to do, and an optional due_date. The AI doesn't need to know how your function adds the task to a database. It just needs to know what it does and what information it needs to work. Creating custom tools and APIs transforms an AI from a talking bot into an active participant. For developers, this means infinite possibilities. Connect AI to virtually any system or data source you can imagine, your internal business software, IoT devices, bespoke databases, automation on steroids. Automate complex tasks that require both human-like intelligence. From the AI and real-world actions. From your tools, innovation. Build entirely new applications and services that blend AI's reasoning with practical interaction, leading to smarter, more capable software. You are empowering the AI to go beyond conversation and truly do. By understanding and implementing advanced tool use and custom APIs, you're not just teaching an AI new tricks. You're giving it the ability to learn any trick you can code. This is the frontier of AI development. You can now build AI agents that are truly intelligent personal assistants, automated business processes, dynamic content creators, and much more. The future of intelligent applications is in your hands, literally, as you'll be writing the code for these powerful new tools. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.